Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we solve a chapter and test, chapter addition class 3. So let's start the session. Question number 1. 267 plus 0 equal to dash. We know that any number plus 0 is equal to that number or same number, that is 267. Now next question, sum of 1 and 2 digit largest number. So 1 digit largest number is 9, 2 digit largest number is 99. So sum means addition, that is 9 plus 9 18, carry 1, 9 plus 1 that is 10. So answer is 108. Next question, question number 3. 8085 plus 254 plus 9 equal to dash. So first we add 9 plus 4 plus 5, that is 9 9 18, 8 carry 1. Then 1 plus 5, that is 6 plus 8 14, 4 carry 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3 0 3, then 8. Okay, or you can add by column method, that is 8085 254, now 9, now add. Okay, now next question, question number 4. 3105 plus 780. So 5 plus 0, that is 5. 8 plus 0, that is 8. Now 7 plus 1, that is 8. Now 3 plus 0, that is 3. Next question, question number 5. The sum of the largest number and the smallest two-digit number. Okay, two-digit largest number is 99 and the two-digit smallest number is 10. So now add, that is 9 plus 0, that is 9, that is 109. Next question, question number 6. Addition, 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, 8, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 7, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, then again 9, 6 plus 0, 6, 1, 1, 2. Next question, question number 7. In a bag, there are 164 red marble. So write number of red marble. So answer, number of red marble equal to 164. Now 829 are blue marble. So number of blue marble equal to 829. Find the total number of marbles. So write total number of marbles. Now are the number. So 9 plus 4 13, 3 carry 1, 6 1 7 2 9, 8 plus 1 9. So answer is 993. Okay. So in next class we solve the next chapter and test, that is subtraction. Okay. Till then, thank you.